Hey, Honda enthusiasts! In this video, I'll show you how to reset the oil life or maintenance light on a 2022 to 2025 Honda CRV. I've divided the video into chapters for each specific model year, so feel free to jump to the section that matches your vehicle. If you have an old Honda CRV, you can reset the maintenance light by using the button on the dash. So let's try to do it. Step 1. Turn on the ignition. Step 2. Press the trip button repeatedly until you see the trip B. Step 3. Turn off the car. Step 4. With the vehicle off, hold the trip button on the dash. Step 5. While holding it in, you'll turn the car on without starting it up. Step 6. Keep holding it in for about 10 seconds and your maintenance required light will go off. If you have a 2007 to 2011 Honda CRV, we're going to be using the knob on the dash to reset the oil life. So let's go ahead. Step 1. Get in the car and turn it on. Step 2. Push the knob on the dash and go to the screen that says Service or Oil Life. Step 3. Press and hold the knob for about 10 seconds to get reset mode. Step 4. Rotate the knob till the oil life word is flashing. Step 5. Push the button one time and now you'll see everything is flashing there. Step 6. Push the knob one more time and hold it for 5 seconds and the oil life will reset to 100%. This first method is to view the on-screen display here in the center of the speedometer and use the reset button in the corner. So all you have to do is, Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Hit the trip button to cycle through the menu and get the oil life. Step 2. Hold the trip button down until the oil life starts to blink, and it might take a while, so just be patient. Step 3. Once it starts flashing, you can remove your finger and hold it down again to reset the oil life. The other method is using the second screen in the center of the dash along with the buttons onto the left-hand side of the steering wheel. So the first step you need to do is, Step 1. Get in the car and turn on your car. Step 2. Hit the menu button to open the vehicle menu. Step 3. Go up to vehicle information by using the plus button and hit source to enter. Step 4. Select the maintenance info by using the same button. Step 5. Make sure you're on the oil life and then press the source button to get the reset option. Step 6. Scroll down to highlight yes and press source to confirm it and you're done. Okay, there are a couple of different ways to reset the oil life monitor in this 5th generation. In this section, I'll show you the steering method. So all you got to do is, Step 1. Press the power button twice, but do not put your foot on the brake. Step 2. Hit the info button on the steering wheel to scroll through till we get to the wrench screen. Step 3. Press the enter button to select the menu, and now it's gonna show you the oil life. Step 4. When you are on the oil life screen, hold down the Enter button to enter the reset mode. Step 5. Scroll down to select specific items that need to be reset, or select all do items and you're done. Alright, here we will reset it using the trip knob on the instrument cluster. So this is what you have to do. Step 1. Press the power button twice, but do not put your foot on the brake. Step 2. Press the trip knob repeatedly until it displays the oil life. Step 3. Hold down the knob until the oil life begins to blink. Step 4. Release and depress the knob again until the oil life resets to 100% and you're done. Alright, this section will show you how to reset the maintenance light on the 6th generation of the Honda CRV. So let's dive into it. Step 1. Push the start button twice to get all the ignition on without starting the car. Step 2. Press the home button to bring you to the main menu. Step 3. Roll the left selector wheel to find the spanner menu and pressing it to enter the menu. Step 4. When you see the oil life screen, hold down the selector wheel for about 10 seconds to bring you to the maintenance reset menu. Step 5. Scroll down to all do items and press the wheel to confirm the reset and you're done. If the cluster method not work for you, you can also use the touch screen. So let's get to it. Step 1. Start by clicking the home button to get the main menu. Step 2. Scroll to the right and you'll find the vehicle settings menu. Step 3. Find and select maintenance information. Step 4. Now select reset items. Step 5. Next, you can either choose all new items or just oil and filter. Step 6. Finally, select reset to confirm, and that is going to reset your oil life. So that's it. It's all fixed up and ready to go. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more car maintenance tips and tutorials. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time.